Hello, friends. Today, we're going to meet one of the biggest animals on land, the elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Elephants have huge ears that help them stay cool, and a long trunk they use like a hand. Elephant splashes water with its trunk. They love to eat plants, fruits, and leaves. An elephant can eat hundreds of pounds of food every day. Elephants live in families, just like us. Baby elephants are called calves, and they stay close to their moms. Elephants are gentle giants who help keep the forest healthy. Isn't that amazing? Can you spell elephant? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Thanks for watching. Which animal should we meet next?